Hello friends, when I speak English with my native English speaker, then I can understand English at best level. But when I speak English with Englishman, a person whose first language is English language, then I can't understand. Then I face problems while understanding his English. What is the reason? Why I am not able to understand his English, but I am able to understand my country person English? Because you are a non-native English speaker. That person is a native English speaker. And native English speaker speak English randomly in natural way, as we are speaking our national language randomly in natural way. So this is his first language, not your first language. Your accent is according to your national language. Whatever your national language is, you are speaking English according to that accent. But that person is speaking English language according to the accent of that country. The main reason is the person who is speaking English as a first language is speaking the same sentences, the same words which you have learnt. And if those sentences, those words are spoken by your native speaker, then you can understand those sentences and words easily. But if you are speaking with your native speaker, the whole conversation you are understanding. The same conversation, if Englishman speak, if Englishman speak the same conversation, then you will face problems while understanding his conversation. The conversation is same. Your country person is speaking in your own accent, but that person is speaking in his accent. The problem is of accent, because you are not understanding the accent of that country. You have not improved your accent. You are speaking English language according to your country accent. So when you will improve your accent, when you will understand the English of a whole world, anybody from any country who is speaking English language, you are able to understand. This requires a lot of exercise, lot of hard work. First of all, I think that you should speak English language in your native accent, with your native speakers. When you feel that right now you are able to understand English language, you are good in English language, and you can understand your native accent in proper way, then I think that you should listen the accent of different other non-native English speaking countries. The countries where their English is not the first language, but their national language is different from your national language, because they will speak English according to their national language. The accent will be according to that language. So then try to speak or listen English of other non-native English speaking countries people. In this way you will improve, you will understand, you will develop your English understanding or listening skills. When you feel that right now you are able to understand the accent of different countries, then the final phase is that listen or watch or discuss with native English language speakers. There are different kind of native English speaking countries, and the accent is not same, different accent. Their accent is also different. First try to improve your British accent, then try to improve your American accent, then try to other English speaking countries. In this way, finally, right now you are able to speak or to understand the whole accent of the words. The English is the same, accents are different. Now you have improved yourself to understand the whole accents of the word. Now you are the perfect in English language. So I give you the suggestion that best accent is of your own accent, where you speak the national language, the accent of your country, the accent of your people. That accent is a beautiful accent, and you will feel ease while speaking that accent. try to speak in a fair way so that other can understand you. Don't speak in haste. Speak in properly, slowly, so that other would understand you in proper way. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, and before leaving, please subscribe this channel so that you never miss our other videos. I Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.